April's Alcohol Awareness Month, and health leaders say it's an important time to check in on our habits and the people around us.
For some, what starts as a social drinking effort can turn into something much more serious, and it can impact lives forever. KAKE's Kate Devine explains what signs to watch for and what resources are out there.
I come from a family that has had a lot of addiction in the past, and especially alcoholism. So it's not really surprising that, sometimes there's a genetic component, and then you add things like trauma and all of this. So it came to me naturally, I guess you could say, and I've been sober about 9.5 years.
For Monica Forrest, alcohol abuse isn't just a professional topic, it's personal.
After, I think it was about 2017, I started working in the addiction treatment industry, and it's the most rewarding work I've ever had.
Now she helps others start that same journey to sobriety. But behind closed doors, alcohol is taking a toll on more lives than ever. According to the CDC, alcohol-related deaths among women have jumped nearly 15% in the last 2 decades. And heavy drinking among women has surged by 41% since the pandemic. Licensed addictions counselor Sasha Lockaby says it's not just about how much you drink, but what kind of impact it's having.
I think sometimes people think that it is about how often you're using or how much you're using. So, if you have somebody who's drinking a gallon a day, they're gonna be like, oh, that's obviously alcoholism, right? And that's not necessarily the case.
And the impact can be deadly.
Physically, we see things like cirrhosis of the liver, we can see pancreatitis.
Lockaby says 4 out of 10 car crashes involves alcohol. And because drinking is socially accepted, the signs of addiction can easily be missed or simply easy to brush off.
Just because it's legal, just because everybody else is doing it, doesn't mean that it's not problematic.
Both women say if you're worried about a loved one, start the conversation with compassion.
If you go to them with love and genuine concern, they still might deflect it, they still might be angry, but as long as you're not being judgmental or, adding to their shame, I think you're doing the right thing.
In this April, Alcohol Awareness Month, Forrest wants people to know change is possible.
You can beat it. You can overcome your addiction, and then you can live free.
In Wichita, Kate Devine, KAKE News, on your side.